Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk and show about DeepSeek. What is DeepSeek? Now question is why people's nowadays talking too much about DeepSeek. Let's begin. DeepSeek AI is an open-source, China-based artificial intelligence company that creates large language models, LLMs. AI is funded by the Chinese hedge fund Highflyer and is located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang. It was founded by its current CEO Liang Wenfeng in 2023. What is DeepSeek R1? R1 is currently the most powerful AI chatbot, which is recently developed and launched by DeepSeek AI company. It was trained on reinforcement learning model unlike others chatbots in the marketplace. Just a day after its release, the R1 ranked top on the Apple App Store, leaving behind ChatGPT, indicating that people in Western countries, where App Store is used the most, are preferring DeepSeek R1 over OpenAI's O1 model, the most powerful AI model by OpenAI. Impact of DeepSeek on global tech market. The impact of release of DeepSeek was so big that Nasdaq, the combined stocks of top 30 American tech giants, was dropped by approximately 3%. The alone NVIDIA stock dropped from $3.5 trillion to less than $3 trillion, the difference of $600 billion, and Google's parent company Alphabet lost $100 billion reportedly in just a day. DeepSeek R1 has made huge impact on global tech market, and soon after its release, huge number of people started using and registering in it. It was also reportedly encountered with cyber attack, and DeepSeek had to temporarily take down the website, but it is live again. Affordability. DeepSeek AI is R1 model was developed and launched in not more than $6 million. Its subscription cost is 28 times less than ChatGPT's O1 model, making it affordable for wider range of people. Why it stands out. Reinforced learning. DeepSeek has taken a different approach of training its AI model by using reinforced learning. In this methodology, there is an environment and an agent. The agent interacts with environment and gets rewarded based on its actions. The agent tries to maximize its rewards by continuously performing better. This can be understood by a simple example of a boy learning how to cook from a chef. The chef commands the boy to simply start cooking and passes instructions if the boy is misdoing. This process goes on until the boy has finally learned to cook. This is how R1 is trained. Chipset it uses. DeepSeek uses H800 chipset that is produced by American tech company NVIDIA. The H800 chipset is less advanced and powerful chipset of NVIDIA. Selling of H100 chip, the most powerful chipset of NVIDIA, to Chinese companies was halted by American former Premier Joe Biden. Despite a significant difference in chipset effectiveness, China's tech startup DeepSeek AI managed to surpass ChatGPT's most powerful O1 model in multiple benchmarks. Impact on organizations. It is essential for an organization to use artificial intelligence in this era of AI in order to make their work follow fast and efficient. But it is also of high importance for them that their data is kept secure and private and not shared with any external entity. Before the release of R1, the first open-source AI model, they were bound to use AI apps like ChatGPT and send their data outside of their private server. But R1 doesn't have any of such restrictions, as it is open source and allows us to use it locally without sending data to R1. This makes huge impact on organizations and gives R1 the preference over GPT. Conclusion. In conclusion, DeepSeek is suitable for individuals and for organizations. This being an open source platform and incredibly efficient and more reliable and accurate is more sustainable and is expected to stay for longer. Now the main question is why DeepSeek is such a big deal? See what NVIDIA talking here. In one day after it's launched, NVIDIA's share is down. Concept is going to change that you need high-end GPUs to train the models. Same what Microsoft CEO saying here. This peoples are running billions dollars company for a decade. They are not fool, right? When they talk something, it means something is there about this AI model. I believe so. Now former Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger said, "Wisdom is learning the lessons we thought we already knew." DeepSeek reminds us of three important learnings from computing history. Computing obeys the gas law. Making it dramatically cheaper will expand the market for it. The markets are getting it wrong. This will make AI much more broadly deployed. Engineering is about constraints. The Chinese engineers had limited resources and they had to find creative solutions. Open wins. DeepSeek will help reset the increasingly closed world of foundational AI model work. Thank you, DeepSeek T. He might be most happiest person after compete with NVIDIA and AMD for such a long time. Talking for long time, right? Let's see what actual DeepSeek is and how we can get into it and work. Go to your web browser and type DeepSeek AI and search. You will find a link for it. Click on it and go to the page deepseek.com. If you are a new user, you might face some registration problem and sometimes they temporarily close the registration. I signed up with Google before, so I can access it for your case. They might send you some registration code. The interface is like just some other LLM or OpenAI model and GUI for ask questions. The first questions I was asked a little bit difficult because Chinese peoples don't want to talk about their economy, but surprisingly it's answered. Here you go, what he was answered. The next questions I was asked to write some story with text-to-image prompt and voiceover script. Again, it surprised me by giving a better story and better prompts than ChatGPT or Sonnet 3.5 model. Another good things I saw of this model, which I not find in another model, that is it share the thinking in words gray color text and then start delivering the answer, so you'll get more actually out of your answer when other models just show some animations and said thinking. Here is the story and prompts I got. More than I was expected. It's really unique for me. The next question was about to generate the images based on my story, but it said server is busy. So I am not sure it can make images or not like ChatGPT used to do by using DALL model. Let's navigate the interface a little bit. Currently, it supports 2 languages, English and your system language, whatever language is for your country. Other features like same other we used to see on ChatGPT and Claude AI. You can download the app by using QR code from here. Let's ask him some more questions to see the results. I asked about the weather report of Mexico City, but answered same like ChatGPT. I had an expectation that it will search internet and bring the weather report, but I forgot it's not browser, it's OL. You can see what he answered here. The next things I want check with him about his language capabilities, and I surprised again it answers perfectly and brings some unique poem in Indian language. As I told you before, this language model share his idea what it's thinking and they give the results, and here it's doing the same things. Show it's thinking then reply. This results is indicating that this model is really trained properly and ready for compete in the market. I also have early access of their API, so I will try to show some programming features in the next videos. So far it's very cool, right? Let's ask a few more questions and see the results. Here he is answering me how many languages it supports and can answer. I believe more languages will be coming soon. In the next question, I wanted to check his code writing capabilities in Python, so I requested to write some web app and surprise again. It's do it for me also, and later I asked to convert the same to React, and it did also. Watch here what respond I got. Yes, compared to ChatGPT Mini 01 and Sonnet 3.5 respond is a little bit slow, but you have to understand that they don't have funding like those companies have from the big companies like Microsoft or other big venture capitalists. I believe if this model have options, it will grow. 500 billion funding for OpenAI from USA government, and this one 5.5 million company. Infrastructure can't same from day one. See the output here, and I tested it, and results is perfect also. It's given the instruction also what to do, and what about the dependencies install process. I am impressed. I don't know how many tokens they are allowing now for testing it, but believe the price will be cheaper as it's a Chinese company or same like ChatGPT or Claude. Now it's converting the same code in React as per my request. Again, I checked that code also working. You can try it and share your feedback to us. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Here he is sharing his thinking, then start delivering the answer. In the next video, I will show you how to install DeepSeek locally with OLLMA 3.3 model and right programming. For learning about AI free software locally, you can see my other tutorials of Comfy UI and Python, where I showed how to do everything free locally.